In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a personal address book using a Microsoft Word document. A personal address book is a simple way to organize contact information in one document. Instead of keeping details in different places, you can create a structured Word document where important contact information can be recorded and easily updated. Start by opening Microsoft Word and creating a new blank document. Once the document is open, begin by adding a title at the top of the page. Type Personal Address Book and place the title in the center. You can make it larger and bold so it stands out clearly. Next, create a table to organize the contact information. Go to the Insert tab and select Table. Choose the number of columns and rows you need for your address book. The table will provide a consistent structure for entering each contact. In the first row of the table, enter the headings for the information you want to record. For example, you can create columns for name, address, city, state, postal code, phone, and email. Adjust the column widths so that each heading and the information underneath it can fit properly. After creating the headings, start entering your contact information into the table. Add one contact per row and place each piece of information under the appropriate heading. Continue adding contacts as needed. You can format the table to make the address book easier to read. Select the table and use the table design options to adjust the borders, alignment, font, and other formatting. You can also make the heading row bold, so it is easy to distinguish from the contact information. If some columns contain more information than others, adjust their widths so the content fits neatly. This helps prevent information from becoming difficult to read and keeps the overall layout organized. As you add more contacts, continue using the same format for every row. Keeping the information consistent makes it easier to find specific details when you need them. Once you have entered the required contacts, review the entire address book. Check the spelling and accuracy of the names, addresses, phone numbers, email addresses, and other information you have entered. Also check that the table is properly aligned and that all of the information is visible. Finally, review the overall appearance of the document. Make sure the title, headings, table, and contact information are clearly organized and easy to read. You can then continue updating the document whenever you need to add or change contact information. And that's how you can create a personal address book using Microsoft Word. By combining a simple title, organized headings, and a structured table, you can keep your contact information together in one easy-to-manage document. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel,